that back, Turbo.
Hey, I'm classy, but I don't mind if you get at me. It's okay to get nasty, just the way that you lie. You say I'm sexy, so bad they should arrest me.
What's up, my beauty babes? It's your girl, D to the Y to the M to the O to the N to the D. And if you don't know, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like these videos because it will help my channel a whole lot. Make sure you give me some good comments or whatever. So today we'll be moving my daughter. She'll be moving in her first apartment at the age of 18, y'all. Y'all, I'm just so confused. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to act. I don't know how to feel, because this will be my very first time of ever living alone or whatever. So y'all know my son is with his dad, and you know my daughter is 18 and she been staying with me. So I'm just like, man, I don't know how it feels just gonna have my daughter living without me. But I guess your girl about to live her best life. So yeah, just keep watching. We almost to her apartment. We about to go off in there and clean it up or whatever before the movers come and move her items into her house. As y'all know, I'm giving her everything that's in my house because I'm starting over, like getting new everything or whatever. So it's just best that I just give her everything since she already liked it, everything. So I was like, okay, I'll just give you everything in my house or whatever, except for some stuff. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And we are on to the next episode to do the house tour, or the first apartment tour or whatever, unfurnished or whatever y'all call it. And then whenever she get it all furnished and stuff, and then we'll do the furnished house tour. But yeah, so just follow us on this journey. Y'all, she sit up so high. I'm just not realizing it. So look at that, it's all the way up there. My daughter, y'all, she's short. She only 4'11", but yeah, just follow us on this journey or whatever. And after that one, I'm supposed to be moving into my place. I'm not gonna say I'm absolutely downgrading, but because I'm gonna always keep a 2-bedroom or, you know, 3 or whatever, because I need extra space because I have so many clothes. But yeah, I'm gonna be moving by myself, y'all. So I'll make sure I give y'all my, you know, my little house tour and unfurnished tour, so, and be consistent with y'all. So yeah, but we gonna hit y'all back. Well, I'm gonna hit y'all back once we make it to her apartment and I can give y'all an unfurnished apartment tour. All right.
Do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
We have made it. So y'all, when you first walk in, this is her front door area, and that is her coat closet right there. She got a window over there. That's her big fireplace. Window over there. Y'all, her balcony is so big. Let me show y'all her balcony. Yeah, her balcony is so huge. Like, that is so huge. And she like literally right there by the pool. Nice. So this is the living room area. There is Ty. The living room and dining area right there. This is her boy. Congratulations. You're welcome. That's her boy. And then let's go back this way. So this will be baby king room. All right. Got this little ceiling fan up right there. Just gonna open up the blinds. And then this is Baby King's room. Baby King has a walk-in closet. Big, spacious walk-in closet. Yeah. Baby King room is pretty big. Yeah, that's what I said. This is Baby King's bathroom. Huh? Oh, okay. And then he has his little, this is cute, y'all. Uh-oh, excuse me. And then here's the kitchen. So I'm guessing this the pantry. Oh, and that's the water heater. Black appliances, black and stainless steel appliances. Microwave, dishwasher. I like how this sink is right here. It can go up and down. Cute. And then this is her laundry room. Nice laundry room. Big and spacious. I like the green. Well, I know they're not green, y'all. I'm sorry, gray. And then her refrigerator. Okay. So I like the light fixtures. There's 2 in the kitchen. So there's the kitchen. It's the big living room area. And as we go over here, we have the master bedroom. This is the large master bedroom. And then this is her walk-in closet. Very big, very spacious. And then as she clean it up, this is, huh? Just turn it like this. Hold it. Girl, oh. All right. And there is her countertop, pretty big countertop. I like the sink. She putting lights out there in the toilets, of course. And there's her shower and tub. Very nice. Yes, ma'am, honey bun. Tie to right. Clean up before you go moving in somewhere. But yes, this is my daughter's first place at 18, honey. Hold on, never. Right there. I'll tie in there, cleaning that restroom. So you guys, this lightning. Okay. Y'all, I feel so sick. Like, my allergies are kicking my butt this morning, and I don't understand what's going on. But I'd be okay. Like, I would definitely be okay. Whew. All this decent. Gots to go, hun. But if y'all like this video, make sure y'all give it a big like, because that will help my page. Like, come on, beauty babes. Come on, my rich babes. That will help my page. Make sure you give this video a big like. Make sure y'all hit that red subscribe button. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all hit that ring-a-ding-a-ding bell so y'all can be notified every time your girl posts a video. Okay? And, yeah, it's 2023. Let's get it. Let's go, y'all. These braids about to fall down. And tell me get well soon off in the comments, cause your girl ain't feeling good, cause my allergies in there. And Texas weather keep on changing back and forth. But like I was saying, yes, I am so proud of my daughter or whatever. She's 18 and she's doing her thing. She got her place. Y'all, that fireplace is big, y'all. And I already done set my grips cup up with her cup. You, what's wrong with you? Using too much dish to fit. Yeah, so this is my daughter. First place at 18 for her and baby King, and I am so proud of her. I still don't know what I'm gonna do without my baby being at home. But that's okay. I'm gonna live a hot girl summer. I'm gonna live my best life. I'm just playing. But yeah, y'all, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. And motivation for today. And keep it positive vibes only. And if you keep going and keep having faith in God, all things must come to you at an appointed time. And when I say appointed time, that means it's coming, but in God's timing. We love you. Hope you love us back. Love and blessings. Bye.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
Y'all got this custom made for baby King Kamari. If y'all want to know how I got this custom made, now let me know in the comments down below. As you can see, I am back home at my casa. It is super quiet up in here, and my daughter is all settled in. Y'all know I'm about to, I told y'all I was giving her all my stuff. So I got the couches over there. You know, that's the sectional. So the 2 sectionals are going to her house. And only thing else that she have left to get is baby King mattress. Bed and her mattresses out of here. Oh, and her dresser. But y'all, it's dark. I'm sorry. I'm trying to close this door so I can get back in some light. But yeah, I hope y'all like this video. If y'all can, could y'all please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that red subscribe button. If y'all want to see more videos like this, which y'all are gonna see more videos like this, because as y'all can see, I'm packing also or whatever. My lease is not up until April. Because I signed a 6-month lease or whatever. And y'all see I still have my TV and stuff up and my mirror stuff up over there or whatever. And I'm starting over fresh and, you know, getting new things. It's just gonna be me, you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna just parlay and go to work and come here full of quietness. I don't miss my grandbaby. I miss my daughter. Whatever. But hey, it is what it is. They grow up, y'all, and it just be time for them to go, y'all. It just be really time for them to go when they grow up. So I'm about to come in on a Lifetime movie. Go take me a quick shower and, you know, eat some pasta. And, you know, I'm gonna lay down and get ready for work in the morning, because your girl has to go to WORK tomorrow or whatever. But I love you, beauty babes and my rich babes. I'm trying to figure out what I need to call you. Should you be, since it's Dumb Rich Jackson or whatever, D to the Y to the L to the D or whatever, should I call y'all my rich babes? Because I'm Rich Jackson. Or should I call y'all still my beauty babes from my last page? But y'all gonna be my rich babes, because at the end of the day, whatever you put your mind to, you can do it. We're gonna live rich, we're gonna live successful, we're gonna live wealthy, and we're gonna live full of growth 2023, you know. So yeah, I love you guys. I am tired. I gotta go get in the shower. And I love you too. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. And make sure y'all subscribe for more. Bye.